Good evening, guys. Tonight I'm going to talk to you about an easy $150 bonus with a line of credit union available through Rakuten. It's a great way to boost your savings and get started with a new year coming up. The requirements are very simple. Going forward, Rakuten is a cashback portal offering a cashback on everyday purchases. Alliant Credit Union is a not-for-profit financial cooperative where all members are owners. It is the largest credit union in Illinois with over 85 years of history. The $150 is paid by Rakuten and not by Alliant Credit Union. Rakuten makes their payouts on February 15th, May 15th, August 15th, and November 15th. The availability for this bonus is nationwide. Anyone can join and participate to get the $150. Does require a direct deposit of $500 within 30 days of clicking the Rakuten link. It is check sensitive. Your checks report will be pulled when you apply for the offer. It is turnable after 180 days, so you can repeat the bonus. There are no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. The cashback bonus is added to Rakuten within 45 days once all the requirements have been met, and you'll see the $150 loaded to your Rakuten account once you do. Going forward, there is no credit card offering funding, for the Alliant Credit Union account. It does require a $25 initial deposit for opening the Alliant Credit checking account. There is a $5 initial deposit required for savings at the time of account opening. You must keep the account open for at least 90 days to avoid losing the sign-up bonus, so don't close it any sooner than that. The link for signing up for Rakuten, if you don't have one already, is here. You can use this link, or you can go directly to Rakuten.com and set up an account there. Once you've established an account, the account is free. There are no fees to sign up, 100% free. You'll want to navigate to the banking and finance tools under categories on the main page until you see the Alliant Credit Union checking $150 offer. Once you see that offer, go ahead and click on it and sign up to the link and open an Alliant Credit Union checking account. It's a standard checking account process where you enter all your personal information. It is checked, so we'll pull like a soft pull just to verify your identity, asking basic employer questions, previous addresses, and those types of things. Once the account is open, you must perform a direct deposit of $500 within 30 days of clicking the Rakuten link. Now, 30 days doesn't give many people a lot of time to switch their employer direct deposits. It is handy to have a Chase business checking account already open. You can open one up. There is another video that I have recorded for this where you can set up an ACH employee payment using your social security number, and then you would enter the routing number for Alliant Credit Union and the checking account number, and just do the ACH employee payment. It's much quicker, and it will trigger the bonus. So that may be helpful to you. I don't know about other methods that may trigger the bonus, but I know that one will work. So this is a very quick, it's a very easy bonus. $500 is pretty feasible. So it's a great way to boost your savings and continue doing so going into the new year. If you have any comments or questions, please reach out to me directly. If you like the content of the videos, please click a like for me and subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can also reach out to me directly with my email, orig58@gmail.com, or just leave a comment and I can also respond to there. If you have any questions, again, please reach out to me. Thank you for listening and have a great night.